Hi, this instructions for the latest images and gallery page. So let's start it. First, log into the administration page of the website using WP admin, okay, or just copy this URL or and paste it into your browser, or just write in the WP login so that you can navigate to the login area of the administration page. So first we'll log in now. So log in with the provided credentials by Bertok Marketing. So log in. So you will see now the dashboard of the so first I said is that we can edit the latest images in the gallery page from the website. So this I will be able to edit this. So first in the dashboard area, go to the gallery. Okay, once you're in the gallery page, click the galleries. Okay, so you will be seeing two different gallery. So the first gallery, which is with the ID number 1, is the old RA2 gallery, RA1 gallery images. So let's go on the RA2 new images. Click on this. So here on this page, you will see all the images for the new RA2 gallery. So how will we be able to add images for this? So go on the gallery menu, click the add gallery. Okay, so the add gallery page, select the new RA2 images, then find the folder or images you would want to upload. So for our example, I will be uploading the with this photo example here. So what will I do is just drag the image to the folder, or you can just select a file, just click the add files, navigate to the file you will be uploading. Okay, let's say for example we will be uploading this one about because we have already existing image like this. So then once you will see this already added here, so let's start the upload. Click the start upload. Then as you can see, a notification seen one image was uploaded successfully. So then once you're done on this, go to manage gallery, then click the ID number 2 or the new RA2 images. So we can see now that the new uploaded image is already there. So let's navigate to the gallery page, the website. And as you can see, it's already added here. See? So same as on the home or the latest images, it will also be added here. Let's take a look at it. Let's find it where it was added. So it's here. See? It's already added here. So it would be better if you would just say images something like this. So it would be accurate to view on the website. Okay. So do you want you can sort this images if you want. Just go back to manage gallery, then select all, or or go or click the sort gallery. Then you can drag the images the way you want to sort it out. Like say for example, you want newly uploaded images to be on the top. So once you're done with the sorting, update the sort order. So sort order change. So let's see. So there, as you can see, it's already on the top. Same as on the gallery page. Here, it's already there. So that's that's all for modifying the latest images and gallery page. Thank you.